If you want to learn more about these toxic symptoms in your culture, you can look down in the comments and take the assessment. And we're going to have a free webinar coming up in a couple of weeks. You can register for it here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about symptom number 4, shame. Is there a pattern of shaming team members in your organization to affect change? Shame is a very powerful, painful emotion caused by when we have this sense of awareness that we've done something bad or we're guilty of doing something or having some sort of shortcoming. It's really easy for people to be controlled or manipulated by shame. Shame is an act of condemnation that really tears people down, and it is toxic to the system. When a pattern of shame is allowed in your culture, you're probably going to find some other cousins to shame. Usually you'll find a leader that rules by command, control, blame, ridicule, punishment to affect change in the system. But all of these behaviors are really toxic, and it causes the system to run kind of weak. It's a pathogen in the system. Hey, thank you, and God bless.